guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today I'm going to share with you guys some ways that I get ready for the holidays. I do want to thank Shein for sponsoring today's video. Shein offers a wide range of affordable and stylish home and clothing products that fit lifestyle values of influencers, while also providing high quality and sustainable options. So I picked out some items mostly for the kitchen and just things I can do to get organized, and I can get ready for baking and just getting ready for everything that I need to do to get ready for Thanksgiving, which is coming up, and also Christmas. Shein Black Friday sale is going on now, and up to 90% off and over 300,000 hot items marked down. So this first one that I grabbed with these fruit and veggie drain baskets with storage, I really liked these because I've never had anything that would drain the water out of the fruit, and sometimes it kind of gets a little soggy to me, especially when I am cleaning strawberries. But the first thing I like to do to get ready is get my own home ready. So sometimes I will go to the grocery store and pick everything that I need to make for Thanksgiving or for Christmas or for whatever holiday, and I actually forget to pick up food that we actually need in our home. So I think that this will really help because once I know these baskets are full and good to go, I have everything prepared and I don't have to prepare anything else until the holidays are over. So this next thing is this salad spinner. So we eat a lot of salad in our home, and I thought this would be great for washing lettuce. I'm not gonna lie, I really don't wash lettuce probably good enough. So I thought this was neat. This fit 3 things of romaine lettuce right inside of here, which I thought that was awesome. It's large and it works great. I never knew how dirty lettuce was until I actually used this. So you just put your lettuce in, fill it up with water, and then you spin it around for a little while and dump it out. This is going to be such a lifesaver to me because it's easy, super easy to put together. And speaking of salads, these portable salad cups, my husband takes a salad to lunch when he goes to work, and I thought these would be perfect because you can already pre-make your salads, grab your cup, and you can walk out the door. I like my fridge very organized, so I don't really like when everybody puts things in there and it doesn't go where exactly I want it to go. So I think this would be perfect, especially when the day before Thanksgiving, the day after Thanksgiving, when you are just running out the door. My husband works in retail, so he does work the actual Black Friday, so he is always getting up really early for work, so I think this would be perfect for him for lunch. I did these portable cups was add all the little accessories. I'd say accessories, but like the cheese and the bacon bits and the cucumbers to the bottom, because once you pour this out, everything is going to be on top nicely. You just secure the lids. I threw the forks back on there. I think this is absolutely awesome. And then you are ready to go with a little portable salad. So this one, we always run out of cereal. We'll either have milk or we will have cereal, and it's because the boxes always get pushed to the back sides of our cupboards. So I think this will be really great. So the kids in the mornings when they have days off of school for break, they can just grab the cereal, and we know how much that we have. This one I was super excited for. I think these stainless steel sauce dishes are the absolute cutest. I love making charcuterie boards for the holidays, and I think this will just up my game just a little bit. I don't normally have little dishes to put anything in, and when I seen these gold ones, I was like, these are so pretty. They can fit absolutely anything. You can put sauces in here. You can always put spreads in there. I just added some pickles, black olives, some peanuts, and then the fun thing about making charcuterie boards is you can just add whatever you like or what anyone else is going to eat here. You can just add. So I'm just making a fun little salami rose here. I think this always just like tops off a charcuterie board. You just keep adding the meat around a wine glass, pop it off, and it is just the cutest little thing. Shortbread cookies are always super fun to add. I actually love shortbread cookies, so that's probably what I would go to over crackers or anything else. I think the candies are always super fun to add. And then, of course, we have to add pepperoni as well. But yeah, so this is just a little fun idea. And then instead of everyone just grabbing and picking and going through the meat and putting their fingers on it. These bamboo disposal forks I thought were really cool from Shein because everyone just kind of can grab a couple or a few and just use those to grab than using their little fingers. But this is how the little charcuterie board turned out. I cannot wait to make a bigger one for the holidays. I wanted to make a dessert, but obviously we have to test it out to see if I can actually make it. So this round silicone cake mold was amazing, by the way. I have never cooked or baked with a silicone mold. This was awesome. I'm actually making monkey bread, so you just cut up some biscuits and then you melt some brown sugar and butter, pour it on. I'll leave the recipe in the description box if you guys want to check it out. But this silicone mold was awesome and it cleaned up so well, especially with the brown sugar. It just is so hard and sticky, so it's usually hard to clean up. I made a mess, I did, but this is the first time I ever made this, but I think it turned out great. I love that Shein is kind of like a one-stop shop, so I was able to grab all of these items from one website and make the holidays so much easier for myself. Also, before December, I really like to get in the spirit of starting to make some DIY gifts. I don't like being stressed out when it comes to that. Luckily, Shein had these really cute glass cups. I think they are very on trend as well, but I decided to give this one a little Christmas decal. I grabbed that off Creative Fabrica. I am also using permanent vinyl, but just hand wash anything that you get with permanent vinyl. You just never know. But this one turned out so cute, and you can even make a cute little gift basket with these glass cups. You could throw in some coffee, whatever the person likes to drink, and just add these to with the glasses. I think it would be a great idea. One of my favorite things to do for the holidays is make gift baskets, and I think this would be so cute added to one. The very last thing I like to do to get ready for the holidays is declutter just a little bit. So Shein also had these fridge storage boxes. I grabbed some large ones and some small ones, and I wanted to do some organizing with my daughter's sand and slime. This is so messy, it gets out of control. I actually don't think I've ever decluttered or cleaned this. I just kind of give her a drawer and let her just toss everything in, and it's exactly what she did. So these are technically for the refrigerator, but I think clear storage bins can be used for absolutely anything. So if you see it's supposed to be used for the fridge, don't hesitate to grab it for something else, because honestly, these were the best plastic bins I have bought for organizing my kids' toys. And this is what I had to declutter. I kind of just got rid of everything. We also had regular utensils in there, which had to go. And for the smaller ones, I just added some slime into here. And then this is what it looks like when it is completely done. I ended up putting it in a cupboard because everything ended up fitting in once I decluttered. But you guys, that is it for the video. I hope this helped you guys get ready for the holidays as well. Make sure you check out Shein. I will link them in the description box below for you guys. That is it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.